Hello, today I'm going to show you how to find your Apple Watch size. So, today in front of me is Apple Watch SE first generation, and if you want to change the size of any SE version or the series version, it is all going to work the same. So, to change the size of your Apple Watch, to check the size of your Apple Watch, you just need to flip it over to the back. And now, as you can see, let me get it closer to you. Right here, you can see that this is the 40mm size, and the band is 41mm and is S divided by M. So this is the smaller one, because also you can get the L divided by XL. So this is it. This is how you check the size of your Apple Watch. You just need to flip it over again, and on the bottom you will find which size of the Apple Watch it is. Either it is 40 or 44mm. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.